Life is all about balance. Azera, now even greater. Azera is reborn. A luxurious, cascading grille. A glamorous hood with delicate island parting. And the rhythmical fender line gives a sporty look. All the while, staying true to the Azera's heritage. The new Azera. Witness the premium quality of its detailed metal lines. Evolution beyond perfection. Azera. Comfort that goes beyond familiarity. The new Azera that always welcomes me with optimal conditions. The lower and wider horizontal offers me a sense of placidity. The intuitively grouped buttons are easy to use. The floating display elegantly topped with horizontal metal lines. Wider visibility grants me a liberating driving experience. The new Azera's cabin space, the largest in its class, flows seamlessly to the back seats. My lifetime companion, the Azera. Pulses that awaken my life now begin. There are no limits to smart driving. I can feel the radar readings in my hands through the steering wheel, enjoying a safer and smarter life. Read my message. It analyzes my driving pattern to alert me of danger levels. And the third eye is always watching whether I'm driving or parking. Every day is a revolution with the Azera. I can feel the perfect energy that does not allow even the smallest margin of error. Completely new driving. A more powerful heart. A stronger body. An upgraded suspension drives as one with the Azera. feel this? The quiet and gentle purr of its heart. In the serenity of the Azera, you only need to whisper. The all-new Azera perfects my life.